Hello and welcome to another video. Since I put the video out of the scanner tool, the iCarsoft CR Pro that I've bought, mainly for the Jaguar that I've got, but also for the Jeep, the VW, the Peugeot and the Renault that I've got as well, because it will cover all of them. But I've had a few questions about does the tool cover my car, does it cover this car, does it cover that car? And I thought it'd be easier just to put a quick video together, show the menus and just show which cars it does cover in respect to Jaguars. So if we go into diagnostics and we'll select Jaguar. So when you select Jaguar, it just tells you the version, I think, of the software that is installed for Jaguar. So you press enter again to go past this. Then it lists all the different cars that it covers. So if we start with the XK, it then gives all the different years that it covers. So 2000 to 2016, 2006 to 2009, 2003 to 2005. So we're obviously getting to the XK150. Sorry, we're getting to the X150 at that point. 2002, 2001, 2000, 1999, 1998 and 1997. So if we then look at the XJs, so you've got 2016 on, 2013 to 15, 2010 to 12, 2008, 2009, 2006, 2007, 2002 to 2005, 2001, 2000, all the different years down to 96. Let's see what's on the next page, 95 and 94. So it covers all of those years. I think 94 was when the OBD2 standard typically came out in a lot of cars, so I wouldn't expect it to go much further than that back. So we're into XF now. As you can see, it covers quite a number of years there, all the way from 2008 up to current day. The XE is just 2016 onwards. X-Type covers it all the way from 2001 to 2009. S-Type covers it from 1999 up to 2008. So the F-Type is 2014 up to current day. And the F-Pace is 2017 to current day. So I hope that's helped some people. I'm not recommending the product, it's the only product of this type I've ever owned. But it does appear to do what I need to do from a DIY enthusiast perspective. There's definitely other tools out there on the market that some people recommend. So if you're going to purchase one, do your own research and make your own choice, but I don't think you'll be disappointed. Just to explain what I've bought the CR Pro that covers multiple car brands, multiple cars, just for its flexibility. There is some cheaper models. So I paid £220 for this off of Amazon, which is more than I wanted to spend, but I've seen it for a lot more money elsewhere. There is a version, I think it was £130, £140, which covers just Jaguar. You can get the same model that covers just one make of car. So for me, the choice was spend a little bit more and have greater flexibility, and hopefully future-proof it, because who knows what car or cars I might get next. And I'm not someone that tends to buy a new car. I do prefer the older cars, so I would imagine whichever car I buy is probably going to have its share of problems, but to me that just adds to the interest. So I hope you found this helpful. Please continue to comment, like, subscribe and share. Thank you.